what is what is adolescence learners and what is adult learners? What are the characteristics of adult learners and adolescent learners? ओके, सो फर्स्ट जिन पियाजे ने जो थ्योरी दिया था वहाँ पे उन्होंने बताया था, ही टोल्ड अबाउट दैट सेंसरी पीरियड, प्री ऑपरेशनल पीरियड, कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल पीरियड, देन फॉर्मल ऑपरेशनल पीरियड। सो इन्होंने डिवाइड कर दिया था एज ग्रुप को। तो बेसिकली जीन पियाजेट हैज़ टोल्ड अबाउट दैट जो एक बच्चा है, हाउ इट ग्रोज, एंड उसकी जो मेमोरी है, उसका जो दिमाग है, वो कैसे ग्रो करता है विद द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। सो उसको स्टडी करने के लिए इन्होंने ये 4 पीरियड में उसको डिवाइड किया था विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एज, कि फ्रॉम दिस एज टू दिस एज उसका सेंसरी पीरियड डेवलप होगा, फ्रॉम दिस एज टू दिस एज प्री ऑपरेशनल पीरियड आएगा, देन कंक्रीट, देन फॉर्मल ऑपरेशनल पीरियड। सो मेन थिंग वी आर गोना स्टडी इज़ एडल्टहुड एंड अडल्ट के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, हाउ अडल्ट लर्नर्स perceive things and how adolescent learners perceive things. Okay, so let's start. There is adult learners. First it comes that adolescents, पहले जो पीरियड आती है that is adolescent period, then they became adult. Okay, so adolescent learners are the learner is dependent on the teacher for learning. The adolescent learner, they are dependent on teacher for studying. वो डिपेंड करते हैं टीचर के ऊपर. बट हियर द अडल्ट लर्नर्स, दे आर सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड एंड सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड. वो सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड होते हैं एंड वो सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड होते हैं. Okay, then next is the learner has little experience. It has to be built on more thousand than used as resource. Role of learners experience, यहाँ पे the learner has little experience. Adolescent learners जो एक छोटा सा है, मतलब छोटा सा बच्चा है, उसका क्या ही एक्सपीरियंस होगा, उतना नहीं होगा. सो in that case, in adult learners, the learners have a tremendous amount of life experience. जो एक adult learner होता है तो उसके पास बहुत एक्सपीरियंस हो जाती है, ठीक है, एंड वो उस एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे वो अपना स्टडीज़ करता है या फिर लाइफ के जो डिसीजंस होते हैं वो लेता है. So then is the experience of the instructor is most influential. Adolescent learners में जो इंस्ट्रक्टर होगा उसका बहुत ही इन्फ्लुएंशियल रहेगा, उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन ज़्यादा रहेगा adolescents learners के लाइफ में. बट इन adult learners experience becomes the source of self identity. उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस होगा on that basis they create their self identity. Adults are rich source for one another. Adults जो in the period of it's around above 22, okay, so they became adult, we must say, and experience becomes the source of the self identity. They don't need the instructor because they have the experience, and from that experience they start to find out their self identity. Okay, so next is orientation of the learning. The learning is a process acquiring prescribed subject matter. Content units are sequenced according to the logic of the subject matter. सब्जेक्ट मैटर को देख के वो स्टडी करते हैं. एडल्ट लर्नर्स, लर्निंग मस्ट हैव रिलेवेंस टू द रियल लाइफ टास्क. लर्निंग इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अराउंड लाइफ और वर्क सिचुएशंस रादर देन सब्जेक्ट मैटर यूनिट्स. सो एडोलेसेंस लर्नर्स, जैसे कि इन इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम द टीचर कम एंड दे ट्राई टू ओनली mug up the things and they just give us lecture and leave. But in adult learners, they ask why we are studying this, what is the importance in our real life, how it will help us in our future, how it will help to grow Okay, so they will question, okay, what is the relevance of those things that I am studying today. So adult learners questions about the things they are studying. So that is the adult learners orientation of learning. So वो कोई चीज़ अगर पढ़ रहा है, he will ask कि ये क्यों मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, इसका यूज़ मुझे कहाँ कहाँ होगा, how it will help me. Okay, so this was the thing. Then motivation for learning in adolescence learner primary motivated by external punishment, competition, rewards, grades. मोटिवेशन फॉर लर्निंग जैसे हम स्कूल्स में होते हैं, वी ऑलवेज गो फॉर क्योंकि वी विल गेट द प्राइज, विल गेट द टॉपर, द टैग. ओके, सो दैट इज़ हाउ एडोलेसेंट्स फील कि अगर मुझे पनिशमेंट मिलेगी अगर मैं नहीं करूँगा अच्छा, और मैं अगर अच्छा करूँगा तो मुझे रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेंगे. सो उनका एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन होता है. In case of adult learners, there is motivation by internal activities, that is recognition, better quality of life, self-confidence and self-actualization. But adult learners have their recognition, better quality of life, self-confidence and self-actualization. This all are the internal motivation that comes from a adult learner. Adult learner understands the importance of self-identity, so it always go within. Okay, so they need to know in order to perform more effectively in some aspects of one's life. Life is important in order to perform more effectively in some aspects of one's life is important. Okay, so these are the things of motivation for learning in adolescents and adult learners. Then next is learner must balance life responsibilities with the demands of learning. In adolescence, learner try to balance here the responsibilities with the demands of learning. And here in adult learners, learner can devote more time to the demands of learning because responsibilities are minimal. So adult learner की जो लाइफ में उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थोड़ा कम होता है, so that's why he can dedicate more time to the learning. Learning is self-initiated and tends to last a long time. So in adolescence, learning is self-initiated होती है and it's self-initiated and tends to last a long time. Here in adult learners, learning is compulsory and tends to disappear shortly after instruction. Okay, तो एडल्ट लर्नर्स जैसे कि बेसिकली वो कैसे काम करता है उसका दिमाग, लाइक अगर इफ़ दैट पर्सन दैट एडल्ट इज़ ट्राइंग टू लर्न समथिंग, अगर उसका कोई रिलेवेंस ही नहीं है उसके लाइफ में, सो वो उसको याद ही नहीं रखेगा. बट इन एडोलेसेंस पीरियड पीपल स्टूडेंट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर दोज थिंग्स, उनको वो याद करते हैं. बट adult they remember and they forget. That's the thing. Learning is compulsory and tends to disappear shortly after instruction. After instruction, they forget it in very short period. So what is the climate like? What is the tendency they show? So these are for the adolescent children. Adolescents. Okay, adolescence is one type of group of children it shows. Okay, it explain about a group of children. So they have the tense, low trust, formal, cold, love, authority oriented, competitive and judgmental. competitive होते हैं, judgmental होते हैं. वो they are the adolescent. And adults are relaxed. Adults are trusting, mutually respectful, informal, warmth, collaborative and supportive. Who are they? They are the adult. And then adolescence learners primarily by teaching system and teacher. Primarily the system teaching learning process by the teacher and the teaching system. But in adult, mutual assessment by learner and facilitator. So learner and facilitator के बीच में mutual discussion, mutual assessment, question answers. Okay, so that's the thing. Then primarily okay, these are objectives of learning set by teaching system. Here the objectives are set by the teaching system and objectives are predetermined and inflexible. जो भी हमारी teaching होती है that's not flexible. But in adult learners there is objectives are set by mutual negotiation. Objectives are flexible. Objectives are set by mutual negotiation. That means adult learner, he or she tries to study on the basis of mutual negotiation, that he will study the thing which is important to him. So that is why there is mutual negotiation between the teacher and the learner. Then design learning classes. Teacher content plans fixed course syllabus, then logical sequence. But in adult learners there is learning contract, learning project, and sequenced by readiness. So here the adult learner, it will do the projects so that he will understand it better. So they are learning that based on the projects and learning contracts. Then learning activities are passive teaching methods like transmitter techniques. Assigned readings are used. Transmitter techniques and assigned reading karna. Then here is active training methods are used. In adult learners they use active training method. They will not listen to anything, they will not memorize, they will ask before memorize, is this important for me or not. Okay, so pace of learning here is, in adolescent learner teachers control timing and pace of learning. Here is a classroom teaching, and that's why teacher control the timing and pace of learning. But here learners influence timing and pace of learning. Learner influence करता है. Then evaluation by teacher and norm referenced with grades. इसमें ग्रेड्स में हम देखते हैं कि हमने कितना पढ़ाई किया, कितना नहीं किया. बट इन अडल्ट लर्नर्स बाय लर्नर कलेक्टेड एविडेंस वैलिडेटेड बाय पीयर्स, फैसिलिटेटर्स एंड एक्सपर्ट्स. यहाँ पे वो फीडबैक मांगता है. अडल्ट लर्नर्स दे आस्क फॉर वैलिडेशन लाइक फ्रॉम पीयर्स कि am I good at this, which subject am I good at, okay, like this. Facilitator and expert. Then criterion referenced, it's between 40 to 60. How much you will rate me out of 10, how much you will give me for this quality. Okay, so these are the things of adult learners. So adult or adolescence के जो पीरियड होता है, पहले एडोलेसेंस पीरियड होता है, उसके बाद वो बच्चा अडल्ट बनता है. धीरे धीरे उसका दिमाग एक्सटर्नल चीज़ों से हट के अंदर लाइक इंटरनल चीज़ों में आती है, सो दैट इट बिकेम मोर एंगेजफुल एंड बिकेम मोर एक्टिव. जैसे कि हम अगर कोई भी इंटरनल चीज़ों से बहुत ही इन्फ्लुएंस्ड होते हैं, देन वी ग्रो मोर इन लाइफ रादर अगर हम कोई एक्सटर्नल चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडल्ट लर्नर्स एंड द adolescent learners. So this is the topic that people get confused. That's why I just made it a simple explanation so that everybody will understand. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this. I'll come up with next video. Thank you.